Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the date, time and alarm on a Casio Digital World Time AE-1200 watch. In the time mode, press and hold the upper left button for 3 seconds to enter the settings, and then press the lower right button to reset the seconds to 0. Press the lower left button and then use the lower right button to turn summertime on or off depending on your time zone. Press the lower left button and then use the two buttons on the right to find your current city or time zone. If you don't know which one to choose, please leave a comment and then I will guide you. I will choose London. Press the lower left button and then use the two buttons on the right to set the hour of your local time. Press the lower left button and then now you can set the minutes. Press the lower left button and then now you can choose between 12 or 24-hour military time. Press the lower left button and then now you can set the year. Repeat the same step now to set the month and the date. Now you can set the LED light duration. Press the upper left button one time to exit the settings. If you want to set an alarm, press the lower left button 2 times to enter the alarm mode, and then press and hold the upper left button to enter the alarm settings. Now you can set the alarm time as shown in the video. You can set up to 5 different alarms on this watch. If you want to switch time zone on your watch, for example you are traveling to Dubai, press the lower left button one time to enter the world time mode and then use the two buttons on the right to find the city you are traveling to. Then press the two top buttons together to switch the time zone on your watch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.